Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Ben Kabi. This Defi bully. As you can see, my baked beans is at 12 million. Wait, I said 12 million. 125 million beans. Hit that intro for me one time. Come on, see. You can come on, see. Cryptocurrency.
Come and see DeFi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me, me just bingo in a crypto.
120 million beans, baby.
Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up? Just doing a quick baked beans update. You can never go wrong with the beans. You can never go wrong with the beans. All these new forks and things are popping up, but you can never go wrong with the beans because if you look here, the contract balance is still somehow going up. Let's say 34,000 BNB. I don't think y'all understand how wild that is. That's 14.3 million US dollars in a minor contract. Let's look at these transactions. 17 seconds, 17 seconds, 17 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 26, 20. Look at that. Look at that. Constant. Is it too late to get in? Hell nah. Because it's still going up. But it's not financial advice. I was going through the group, the Telegram group, and I seen somebody asking, like newbies asking, like, is it too late? Did we miss the wave? People thought the contract wasn't gonna go up once it hit 1 million. And look where it's at now. $14 million. That's US dollars. So that's 34,000 BNB. The price of BNB right now is at $413. This is beyond crazy to me, people. You know what I mean? It's beyond crazy. Comment down below how much beans you got. If you're not in, my link will be down below for you to get started. There's a lot of news coming out about the baked beans and their new future projects. There will be an AMA later because you know baked beans, they do the bean chart token. There will be an AMA later on today. Let me see if I can find that for you guys. Right here, there'll be an AMA. Whoops. Let me see if I can pull that back up. Wait, did I miss it? Oh, they had one early this morning. I missed it. No way. So you go here to the baked beans miner Telegram group. I believe there should be a link from the miners page, and you could go right here to the pinned message, and you can see the last AMA. I believe there'll also be another one. Or was that the other day? No, today, Tuesday. So 3 p.m. Eastern, there'll be another AMA. And also, they're giving away $300. So if you guys want to take part of that, Will Coin Talk, let's get it. Let's get it. The link is in the baked beans miner site. They're giving away $300, $100 here, $100 here, $100 here on Parabolic, Fat Cat Killer, and Bean Chart Token. So let's keep up to date with what's going on. Let's focus on what we invested in. And if you're not invested, do your own research. I don't do financial advice. You could just follow what I'm doing, or you could support the channel by using my referral links, and then I'll do a lot of the investing into different projects so you guys could study how those are moving.